friends, I have an unbagging here because I just bought this directly in the store. And this is a Coach retail bag. And I don't know if I'll have this one up first or the other one I just recorded, but I did buy this with funds that I got from the Coach Reloved program. Using that for the first time and trading in a couple bags and then getting a nice credit towards a brand new bag. So, but this is one that I have wanted for a long time and just never pulled the trigger on it. I was thinking about it and I thought, well, if I can get a nice credit towards it, you know, maybe I'll jump in. And so I ended up having like $140 credit. So this was much more manageable for me. And this is the Coach Juliet. And this is their new dust bags, which are very nice. I prefer these so much. They're just a soft cotton, not quite as heavy as the old kind of linen bags, and then definitely not like the silky bags. But I like these. It's kind of like a sheet. So I got that, and I ended up falling in love with this one, which surprised me because I am not a huge fan of the signature canvas, but I do like the darker signature. I like the black and tan one, or the black and beige or something from the outlet. I've always liked that darker version. And so this is the new maple version of the signature canvas, and it's really nice. I really like it. When I saw it on display, I thought, you know, this is really much cuter than I expected. I was planning to get a leather one. It does have leather on the bottom, no feet, but this is the Juliet 25, and the color was so pretty, and it has all the different straps, and it's really, really pretty. It's a cute little bag. So I thought I would go ahead and get this one. The canvas, I noticed, is way thinner than it used to be. So I think they're doing the same thing with this that the outlet is doing with the Rowan canvas, where it's squishy. And then it comes with the different straps here. Oh, it has 3 straps. I didn't even know that. So they got me one from the back that was all wrapped up. I had already dropped the other display one on the floor. I told them thank you for not making me take that one. And then it has a chain, a very lightweight chain. Let me get all this stepping out. But this was really cute, and this one cost, I was surprised also that this one cost a lot less than the leather versions. Usually they'll charge the same for canvas. So this one, regular price was $325, and the leather versions start at $375 and up. I even thought about getting one that was the quilted, I think it's the goat skin or something, and that was like $450. So anyhow, here's the tag, if you can see that. So this is the Coach canvas in the maple, and it's the Juliet 25, and it's just got the little normal card in there. But it's very cute. It's got a little button pocket in the back. It's kind of hard to see. It's just lined with kind of burgundy-ish or maybe maple fabric, and that's it. That's all it's got. But it's really so comfortable on, and I had no idea it came with this little strap. This is so cute. I gotta take off this stuff here. But yeah, I don't often go to the Coach retail. You know me and how cheap I am, but since I had a credit, I thought I will put it towards something I really want. I got this because it really reminds me of the Laurel bags that I love. And it's a great size. It's like right in between the small Laurel and the medium Laurel. It's the perfect size. So it's like, I think it was like 11.5 or 11.25 across, and then 4.5 high. And I think it was 4 deep too, if I'm remembering correctly. But I'll put the measurements in the description box below. But it was a nice mid-size. It's not the size of the Juliet that originally came out. That one is more like the Juliet 30. Which they still have a Juliet 30, and then they've got a bigger one too. But yeah, when I saw them together, it was very helpful to actually go into the store instead of buying online like I always do, because I could try everything on. I tried on the barrel bag with the little kiss lock in the front because I thought maybe I'll get one of those because they're cute. But trying it on, it was really bulky. I didn't like how it had my arm hanging out from the side. So that was a no-go. But this one, when I put it on, it just kind of melted into me. It was so comfy. And comes with a very lightweight, nice little chain here. It looks substantial, but it is not heavy at all. And that was one of the things I loved about this bag when I picked it up and tried it on, is that it was just so light. It just fit perfectly. And it has a little C charm that it comes with, and the hang tag, of course. But yeah, it's a cute little bag. I love it. And then you get a nice crossbody strap as well. So the crossbody strap is gonna be, oh, this one came with two. Did it? Or is this, no. Okay. I was gonna say, they gave me two of these shoulder straps, but no, this one, it's a two-piece strap that you buckle together. I see now. It is adjustable, and you've got the hardware on that. So you can make it a crossbody. I think it's great. It's kind of the size of the, what was it called? The Kelsey? The one I like that I have that's green, that is a little bit bigger than the Swinger. It's a really good size. Love it. It will fit everything that I want. But yeah, this is what I got, and I think that the pattern is so pretty in the maple color. Like I said, you barely even notice it, but I like that it's the canvas so that you can wear it in rainy weather or whatever, not worry about it at all. All the leather is treated, so you should be fine. But yeah, I was really impressed with this bag. I like it. I just don't like their new, I really don't like their new slouchy canvas. It is just so thin. You can see that. I looked this over really good when she brought it out of the back. I wanted to make sure it was perfect, and it is. But yeah, I was surprised by that. You can see how. But the squish is in right now, so that's why they're doing it. The squish is definitely in. And on a small bag like this, I do not need a lot of structure at all. It'll be fine. But I was just be aware. They have changed their canvas for sure. I think I will keep my my Rowan that I have probably forever, the maple Rowan, because it's so nice and structured, and the new ones just would annoy me like heck. But this one is really cute. It's a very nicely made bag, and I think the price is very reasonable too for what you get. So yeah, there is a slight difference between the outlet bags and the retail bags, but I don't know, not that much to me. I think now the prices though are getting so much higher at the outlet that I would have to really think twice if I am going to get an outlet bag, because for only a little bit more you can get a retail bag. So there's that to think about too. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.